Hello everyone, I'm Mira, a technical support specialist at IPFighter. In this video, I will guide you through the software interface and main features of IPFighter. To give you a quick overview, IPFighter is an all-in-one software designed specifically for proxy users. Now, let's dive in and explore IPFighter together. Click Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your email and password. Check your email for a verification code and enter it. When you log in for the first time, the software will show a quick survey. This survey helps IPFighter gather feedbacks to develop features that better suit users. Just select the answers that apply to you and click Get Started. This is the main interface of IPFighter when you log in the first time. The screen is divided into three main sections. On the left, you'll find the main menu and account settings. In the center, there's the Features area, which changes depending on the feature tab you select. And finally, at the top right, you'll see the Profile section, where you can enter your CD key, access API help docs, and check out the affiliate program. Let me walk you through the main features of IPFighter, which you'll find in the main menu. You can start by exploring the dashboard interface. On the left, you'll see a chart showing the total GB usage of your proxies, day by day. On the right, there's another chart that tracks how much bandwidth you've saved with residential proxies when using IPFighter. In the top right corner, you'll find the maximum GB limit you can save each month. Once you reach this limit, the bandwidth saving feature will stop working. You'll need to pay an additional fee to increase this limit or upgrade plan. Right below the Dashboard tab, you'll find the Proxy Manager tab. If you're currently managing a large number of proxies using tools like Notepad, Excel, or Google Sheets, I highly recommend switching to the Proxy Manager in IPFighter. With just one action, you can add multiple proxies at once. Simply choose the protocol type, enter the proxy information, add notes, add tags, and set an expiration date. Once added successfully, your proxies will appear in the Proxy Manager. You'll also see important information like the proxy's location and status right next to it. The Proxy Manager saves you a ton of time when you need to access and use proxies from your collection. And the best part? This feature is completely free. You can add as many proxies as you want. If you want to save bandwidth and speed up the proxies added to the software, you can use the Bypass Domain feature of IPFighter. This feature works by collecting, analyzing, and filtering out unimportant domains so they don't consume your proxy's bandwidth when running tasks. Let me give you an example. When creating a Gmail account, the main domain used is accounts.google.com. However, during the process, many background domains like static.com or googleapis.com are also running. These domains can use up a significant amount of proxy data, up to 90% of your bandwidth, without you even realizing it. IPFighter identifies these as unimportant domains, meaning they can be bypassed without affecting your work. You can still successfully create a Gmail account without these domains running in the background. The bypass domain feature works on computers with the IPFighter software installed. To activate this feature on other browsers or devices, you'll need to set up a forward proxy. You can think of this as the step to connect your proxy with the IPFighter system. You can forward the proxy either from the Proxy Manager or add a new one. Once forwarded, the proxy will have the format local and host. Forward IPs are divided into two types, local IP and LAN IP. Local IP is used to forward proxies on the same computer running IPFighter. LAN IP is for connecting to other devices on the same network as your computer. If you're not sure how to connect using local IP or LAN IP, check out the detailed video in the comments below. IPFighter also lets you add two proxies to one forward IP. The proxy you've just added is defined as the primary proxy. You can add another proxy under the Details section, and this will be your secondary proxy. Here's the best part, just copy the local IP or LAN IP wherever you need it, and both proxies will be activated at the same time. Once you've added the forward IP to your browser profile and hit Start, IPFighter will balance the load across three IPs, your original IP, the primary proxy IP, and the secondary proxy IP. This helps optimize your traffic while keeping everything efficient. So, once you've added your proxies to IPFighter and forwarded the IPs, the system will optimize proxy usage, helping you save bandwidth while maintaining top-notch performance. The bandwidth-saving feature through the bypass domain system is super helpful. It can save you a lot of money when using GB-based proxy services. If you want to save even more, check out the free proxy section or turn on the unlimited IPv6 Proxy feature. Here's the difference: the free proxies from IPFighter are shared, so other people use them too. But when you create an IPv6 proxy with IPFighter, it's private, just for you. Quick note, though, to create IPv6 proxies, your network needs to support IPv6. Don't worry, IPFighter will check this before you get started. Scenario 1. If you see the message your network is not suitable for creating IPv6 proxies, it means your network can't create IPv6 proxies right now. There are two common reasons. Firstly, your internet provider doesn't support IPv6. In this case, you'll need to contact your provider and ask for an upgrade. Secondly, your router has turned off IPv6. You can fix this by reconfiguring your router. There's a step-by-step guide in the video linked in the comments. Scenario 2. If you see the message your device is able to create unlimited IPv6 proxies, great news! Your network is all set for IPv6. To create unlimited proxies, just upgrade your account or get the unlimited plan. After upgrading, you can create as many IPv6 proxies as you like. With IPFighter, you can change IP proxies instantly or even schedule them to switch later. Instead of buying random IPv6 proxies that might not even be reliable, why not make your own from your network? It's a cost-effective option and gives you high-quality proxies you can count on. The last feature I want to introduce in this video is Proxy Score. This is a tool that helps you evaluate the quality of your proxies. With this feature, IPFighter lets you rate the quality of proxies on specific websites, completely free. Based on system data, IPFighter shows whether a proxy passes or fails certain tests, so you'll know exactly where it performs well or falls short. Using these results, you can decide whether to use that proxy or not. With a reliable advisor like IPFighter, you'll have the information you need to make smarter decisions. So that's an overview of all the features on IPFighter. If you need any additional support, feel free to reach out to the IPFighter support team via live chat or join our Telegram community to discuss more. Best of luck, and see you in the next video.